Hey guys, what's up? My name is Nicholas, and I will tell you about some games I play, and I hope you will play them too. First we have Aliens Colonial Marines. It's a really good game. I love the story, and I have never seen one of the movies, but I really love the game. And multiplayer is cool too, and you can be an alien in the multiplayer, and that's really cool. I love it. And then we have Call of Duty Black Ops 2. I not play this that much, but it's really cool too. I love the companion missions. Um, yeah. I really love it because the story changes after your choice. You can kill somebody and the story changes, and if you not kill it, the story changes another way. And I really love it. Multiplayer is cool too. Sorry. Um, I really love the zombie mode. It's really cool. I like it. I have played that a lot. It's really awesome. And then we have Assassin's Creed 3. I really love it. I have played all the Assassin's Creed, and I can't wait to Assassin's Creed Black Flag coming out. I really love it. It's so cool, and you can control a ship. You can fight with your ship, uh, and I love you can hunting some animals, bear, fox and wolf, and yeah, you know, it's really awesome. That's a easy way to get money to hunt some animals and sell their meat, and that it's really awesome. I love the multiplayer. I really love it. It's so fucking awesome. I really love it. And I have Heavy Rain as an old game, but I have bought it for a month, 2 months ago. It's really awesome. One of the best game I ever have played. I really love it. It's like sorry Black Ops. The story changed out of your choice, and it's really awesome. I love it. Love. I really love it. It's so fucking awesome. And I have the Darkness too. By it, I have hoped this was a scary game, but it's not that scary. A little bit, but no, not so scary. But it's really bloody. I, that's really bloody, and yeah, really bloody, and you can't um, take your enemy's heart out and cut that head off, and that it's really, and it's awesome. I love the story. Really love it. I have tried to get the Darkness one, but I can't find it to play the 3. Yeah, that was all I have for you guys. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you will play the game too. It's really awesome games, and I will see you next time. Bye.